Okay, today we're going to be doing some baby back ribs on a small gas grill. Now, I just bought some of this good stuff right here. I tasted it, seems pretty good, and it seems to me if I can mix this with my favorite, that'll be a nice dry rub. And I picked up, this is very good. So what I'm gonna do, I picked up this right here. Instead of regular A1 steak sauce, it says marinade. I want to see if there's a difference between them both. But I intend to mix this with this, maybe some black pepper with that, with the dry rub. And this is going to be for the sauce. The sauce. That's the best part, the sauce. Well, we'll see what happens. All right. Okay, so I'm going to make the dry rub now. I took the top off of that, so I can just pour it freely. About that much. Let's see how much it looks like. A little more. We're not going to use it all, but there we go. Now, some of this stuff. Mesquite Grill Master McCormick. I'm not promoting them, but I tasted it. I think it'll go well, so we're just going to go like this. Boom, 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 boom. Take a look here. Oh, that looks pretty good. Maybe we'll have to put some more of that in there. Yeah, what the heck. All right, so a little bit of garlic. Decided to put a little bit of garlic. That's about it. That's enough right there. Okay, so now, of course, some black peppers in there. And just a little bit. Shake it up. All right, so I got it all mixed together in the little pan here. The key thing to this is always taste every ingredient. Pretty much, I don't have to make a sample. I can taste each one separately and probably figure out if it's going to be a good dry rub or not. Same with the sauce. All right, so we're going to get ready for that in a little bit. The grilling and chilling with Dave. Baby back ribs. Here we go. So we got a little bit of this stuff left over, but we're not going to use all of this for what I'm thinking when I make the sauce. I was going to keep a little bit of it, but that's just way too much. Anyways, we just put them on the grill. Slow cook them, baby back ribs, and we're going to do that sauce. Yeah, this calls for indirect heat on a grill. But unfortunately, we have a small gas grill. So what I did is I lowered it. And then when you put the top on, it gets hotter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it seared on both sides. And then I'm going to make sure that the outsides are seared. And then I'm going to increase the temperature but take the top off. The top is going to be off. That way it doesn't get hotter and burn up my baby backs. We're going to see, and we'll be back. So I put the dry rub on both sides, put them on there maybe 20 minutes now. Low heat, indirect. And then I did spread a little bit of that sauce that I made. What I showed you earlier. I started to say Heinz 57. Actually, it's A1 steak sauce. I don't like the marinade though. They come out with this thing called the marinade. I like to make my own, and I like the base. For some reason, I'm not saying it's not good for a person that wants to use just one ingredient, but if I'm going to make my own, I'm going to stick with the basics, the original A1 steak sauce. Well, let me tell you, I knew it. A lot of work on a single burner, tiny little gas grill like that, but I pulled it off, and I'm just waiting a little bit longer with low heat with the top off. As soon as I see those bones are starting to come out, we're going to be good. That's right. Hope you enjoyed this video. May God bless you all. Thank you for watching Yanis Outdoor Adventures.